Superior piping solutions are built with Lubrizol CPVC compounds. As an expert in the field for more than 50 years, Lubrizol CPVC continues to bring differentiated, high-quality CPVC compounds to the plumbing, industrial, and fire protection industries. During those 50 years, billions of feet of Lubrizol-branded piping systems have been installed globally in residential and commercial buildings. We provide unparalleled service to contractors. And everyone benefits from the backing of a global organization like Lubrizol, with unmatched R&D, technical expertise, and customized sales and marketing support. With globally recognized brands, including FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corrosion CPVC product families, Lubrizol is proud of its reputation as an industry leader. As with any piping material, there are certain chemicals that can be detrimental to CPVC. Just like water causes steel pipes to rust, some materials may have adverse effects on the longevity of CPVC. Occasionally, some of these chemicals may be found in certain construction products, such as thread sealants, antifreeze solutions, or Firestop materials. It's important to note there are three main factors that can influence the performance of CPVC: chemical substances in contact with a pipe, mechanical stress caused by internal pressure and installation, and the overall quality of the pipe, which includes the base properties, manufacturing, and transport process. A number of very aggressive chemicals can create issues, even if the pipe is produced under high-quality standards and properly installed. In cases where the pipe is exposed to high levels of stress, as a result of poor installation practices, such as over-tightening pipe clamps, even less aggressive chemicals will cause issues by aggravating the overstressed condition. It is important to verify the compatibility of materials that come in contact with your CPVC system to ensure long-term performance. These issues can be mitigated through proper education and communication with all trades involved on the job site. Due diligence should begin during the job's planning stage and continue with ongoing thorough work practices. As always, be sure to follow the pipe system manufacturer's installation instructions. That's why Lubrizol, a leader in the industry for more than 50 years, has instituted the FBC System Compatible Program. This program only applies to our brands and takes the guesswork out of choosing construction products that are compatible with FlowGuard Gold, BlazeMaster, or Corrosion CPVC products. As a result, contractors, installers, and engineers have easy access to a database of products that are chemically compatible with Lubrizol CPVC piping products. This innovative resource eliminates the guesswork by introducing third-party testing, providing a directory of compatible products, and requiring unique product labeling to clearly identify compatible products. The FBC System Compatible Program is available to manufacturers of ancillary products intended for use with our CPVC compounds. This is a voluntary program where manufacturers of products make a commitment to being tested to determine whether a product is chemically compatible with Lubrizol's FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corrosion CPVC piping systems material. Once accepted to the program, the product manufacturer also agrees to meet annual audit requirements to maintain eligibility and to keep the accepted formulation unchanged. FBC System Compatible products are clearly marked with the program logo and are also listed on our website and mobile CPVC app. As a result, the program helps prevent problems by making it easy for contractors to identify chemically compatible products. Other brands of CPVC piping have not been tested as part of the FBC System Compatible Program. Therefore, it is only applicable to the chemical compatibility of ancillary products with FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corrosion families of CPVC products. This distinction is made because every brand of CPVC piping is manufactured from unique compounds, some of which may have resins with different molecular weights and varying chlorine content. These characteristics directly impact the performance of the resulting product. Similarly, various CPVC products contain different performance additives. This too affects the performance characteristics of the material. The FBC System Compatible Program is available for quick reference through a number of easily accessed sources, including our website at fbcsystemcompatible.com and through the Lubrizol CPVC More Inside mobile app. When your next CPVC piping installation requires key ancillary products, including cutting oils, Firestop devices, freeze protection, gaskets, thread sealants, or insulation, always check the FBC System Compatible website or the More Inside mobile app for a compatibility list that's always up to date. If the material in question is not listed by name, contact the manufacturer of the ancillary product. If you still need assistance, contact a Lubrizol piping system consultant. For more information on compatibility and the FBC System Compatible Program, visit us at fbcsystemcompatible.com. If you design or install fire protection systems, you may face special challenges when it comes to compatibility. National Fire Protection Association standards have been revised to incorporate chemical compatibility requirements when nonmetallic pipe and fittings are used in fire sprinkler systems. As a result, fire protection professionals will have additional considerations when using nonmetallic fire sprinkler systems. Changes to the 2013 editions of NFPA 13 and 13R standards state that products in contact with nonmetallic pipe and fittings must be evaluated for compatibility by a testing laboratory. These latest changes affect all nonmetallic products, not just CPVC. The changes cover a variety of topics for pipe and fittings, including fire-stopping materials and hybrid systems containing both metallic and nonmetallic pipe, which are coated with corrosion inhibitors, cutting oils, or lubricants. Prior to the 2013 revisions, Lubrizol recommended that these systems be verified for compatibility. Now, the 2013 version of NFPA standards makes verification a code requirement. The FM standard for nonmetallic fire sprinkler pipe and fittings, FM 1635, now includes testing to demonstrate the chemical compatibility of nonmetallic fire sprinkler pipe with coatings used on steel sprinkler pipe. This test method has also been included in the FM standard for steel sprinkler pipe, FM 1630. These standards approved coated steel and nonmetallic fire sprinkler pipe used in combination. When using steel pipe with anti-microbial coatings in systems that contain CPVC pipe and fittings, contractors should confirm their compatibility with the new FM approvals. For all other ancillary products that are not currently covered by the recent changes to FM 1635, the fire protection industry's leading resource is the FBC System Compatible Program. It is the responsibility of all trades on the job site to be aware of compatibility issues or any other factor that might affect long-term performance of CPVC piping systems. In fact, there are a number of considerations that are not directly involved in the CPVC pipe installation that can affect its durability. From electrical and data cables to paint and other building materials, it is important to educate all trades involved on the importance of many special installation considerations. Some wiring and data cables contain plasticizers that are not compatible with CPVC. Since it is difficult to determine which wires and cables contain plasticizers, it is best to completely avoid contact. In addition, according to the National Electric Code, all types of wire and cable must be supported and secured by staples, cable ties, straps, hangers, or similar devices. This means that piping is not an acceptable means of supporting wire and cable. When it comes to polyurethane spray foam, the Spray Polyurethane Foam Alliance, SPFA, with help from Lubrizol, tested their product's viability when used with CPVC piping. As their findings indicate, when used under certain parameters, spray foam is not detrimental to the long-term performance of CPVC pipe. As a general practice when using spray foam, it is important to consider several factors. It must be properly mixed and applied. The application of nominal 2-pound density closed-cell foam should not exceed 2 inches per pass, and the application should not occur in less than 10-minute intervals. For additional information, visit the website sprayfoam.org. When painting CPVC, water-based acrylic is the preferred and recommended paint to use. Pipe should only be painted after installation so there is no interference with the solvent-cement bond. It is also wise to attain approval from the local authority having jurisdiction prior to painting to ensure that markings on the listed pipe are not covered. FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corrosion CPVC products are acceptable for use in embedded concrete as allowed by the local code jurisdiction. But care must be paid to the following guidelines. Pipe cannot contact sharp objects or edges. It is best to use straight runs and minimize the stress on the pipe. FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corrosion CPVC piping systems are not recommended for use embedded in post-tensioned concrete systems that can create excessive forces on the pipe system. When there are joints embedded in the concrete, the system must be pressure tested prior to pouring, and care should be taken to avoid damaging the pipe during pouring and finishing. In addition, installers should confirm the pipe has not moved from the intended position as the concrete is poured. Allow for thermal expansion and contraction to minimize stress at points the pipe enters and exits the concrete. Be sure to follow the pipe system manufacturer's installation instructions. It is important to take special care when metal and CPVC pipes are connected or installed in proximity to each other. Protect the CPVC when using torches, solder, and any incompatible materials with metal pipes. Transitions from metal to CPVC pipe can be made through threaded connections, flanges, or grooved adapters. Also, check the steel pipe to determine whether residual oils from manufacturing are on the pipe, especially those marketed as environmentally friendly or vegetable-based. Such oils must be removed prior to connecting with CPVC. Finally, dye penetrants used to test the quality of welds on steel systems may contain plasticizers. These should be removed prior to connecting to CPVC, or work with the manufacturer to ensure proper use with CPVC. Rigid plastic or metal pipe is typically compatible with CPVC. However, it is not recommended that any pipes have contact with each other. The natural expansion and contraction that occurs may create noise or wear concerns. When using hangers, uncoated metal and polypropylene are acceptable materials. No rubber inserts or dip coatings should be used. Electrical tape contains materials that are not compatible with CPVC. When using all other general adhesive tapes, it is important to check with the manufacturer prior to using it. If you have questions about material compatibility in any Lubrizol CPVC piping system, you can work directly with a material supplier to determine compatibility or contact a Lubrizol piping system consultant for assistance.